Hello there, this is Derek again and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you'll be able to get profile and device management for iOS 14. I already have iOS 13 on this channel already, and a lot of people are just demanding for the iOS 14. So I want to share with you guys how you'll be able to do this with ease. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys my settings, and you guys are going to see I have the profile right here for the iOS 14, and I'm going to delete it and then show you guys how you'll be able to just get this on your phone. So you see right here, so I'm going to remove it and I'm just going to type in my password. So and I'll just delete this thing, remove, not now, and then let's go. So you see right here, you see I don't have the profile right here. Again, I don't want you guys to be like I have stuff here. Let me just take this one off too, because I don't use that app anymore. Okay, so I'm going to take this app to off. So you see I have nothing here in the general. When I click on profile, you see I don't have even profile right here. So I'm just going to get it right there so that I'll be able to install tweaked apps and other applications which are third-party apps and not in the app stores on my device. So first of all, what you need to do is you go to your browser and then you type in beta.apple. I'm going to leave the link in the description, so don't worry about it. So you're going to type in this website and then click on enroll device, and then you scroll down and then you're going to see it is right here. But initially it's actually going to show you a page where you would have to sign in your Apple ID and password. Because I've already signed in this side, so I think that is why it just took me to this page. But it will show you a pop-up page where you would have to sign in your Apple ID. That is after you visit this website right here. It's going to tell you to just sign in your Apple ID, which you have to just do. Bear in mind, if you have an Apple ID, that is easy. If you don't have, then you have to create an Apple ID. And I know if you are in need of device and profile management, then you already have an iPhone or an Apple ID. So if you don't want to use the iOS 14, you enroll for the beta iOS 13 updates by downloading the iOS 13 configuration profile here. So you click on here, then it's going to take you back. But you want to download the iOS 14, so we are going to click on download profile, and then right away we click on it. A pop-up is going to come. So we are going to just click on allow and then close, and then we go back to our settings again, and we are going to see profile right here. So you see profile right here. Let me just go back and you guys will just see. So I click on general, and then we go here, and then we're going to see profile right here. So we see it right here, and then we click on install at the right top corner, and then you just type in your passcode. You type in your passcode, and then you are good to go. So you just hit on install again, install. They're going to tell you to restart your device right now, but I'm not going to restart it right now. I just don't want to cut this video, so I'm not going to click on now, and you guys would see right here you just have your profile and device management right here. So with this, you can just install third-party apps, and they will just bring you here, and you just have to verify them, and you are good to go. So if you need more videos like this, just give it a thumbs up and then subscribe to this channel. Share this video to anyone you think is going to be helpful for them, and then catch you in the next one.